The country's first CNG bike has been launched. After its launch, the question in people's mind is whether it is safe to buy it. Actually, CNG is a flammable gas and its flammability rating is about 5 to 15%, while the news of fire in CNG vehicles on the road every day creates concern in the minds of people. According to Bajaj, this bike is completely safe. The company claims that the bike has been crash tested twice, in which there was no damage to its CNG cylinder. After there was no damage the first time, it was tested with a truck for the second time, in which also there was no damage to the cylinder and neither did gas leak from its CNG cylinder. So this bike is safe for the rider. It is being told that a total of about 11 tests have been done, including the bike's tires, brakes, speed. Bajaj CNG bike has a 2 kg long CNG cylinder under the seat. Bajaj CNG bike has a 2 kg long CNG cylinder under the seat. It also has a 2-liter petrol tank in front of the seat. The company claims that this is a long route bike. This new generation bike will easily get a driving range of about 117 km on petrol and about 213 km on CNG. At present, it will be sold in Mumbai and Gujarat initially, after which it will be made available for sale in Delhi, UP and other states. Bajaj CNG bike has a 125 cubic centimeters high power engine. Bajaj CNG bike has a 125 cubic centimeters high power engine. This bike will generate 9.5 PS of power and 9.7 Newton meters of torque for high pickup. This is a high-speed bike, which will give a maximum top speed of 93.4 km per hour while running on the road. The bike has 17-inch alloy wheels and tubeless tires, which enhance its looks. The base model of the bike will be available at 95,000 rupees ex-showroom. Currently it is offered in 3 variants. Its top model Freedom 125 disc LED will be available for 1.10 lakh rupees ex-showroom and mid-variant Freedom 125 drum LED will be available for 1.05 lakh rupees ex-showroom. These next level features will be available in Bajaj CNG bike. It has both drum A